Not bad. Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a wig Wednesday with y'all and do it with the wig that's affordable, because I know a lot of people want to be dolled up, same with me, and sometimes we be on a budget. So I wanted to show y'all how you can still be popping on a budget, baby, because look at me. Look at me, okay? And I spent all of $30 on this wig, okay? So let's talk about it. So this wig is from Empress Lace Wig. Oh no, I think that's the name of it. Yeah, I think it's from Sensational. I guess their Empress Lace Wig collection. I don't know. But I got it in 1B, and the name is Anya. And they have multiple colors, as you can see. Like, she's a teal type of color. This actually isn't the color that I wanted. I wanted a 1B with the F430 in it. Like, I don't think they show it right here, but it has like brown streaks in it. It was super cute, and I felt like it was a whole vibe for the summer. But they sent me this 1B, so you know, we make it work though, so it doesn't really matter. I did want that one. I probably will still order it just because this wig is a look, and it's only $30. You can't beat that. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at it. It's pretty long on me. I'm short. Goes like to my butt. But, you know, I can get it to lay pretty flat. It's not supposed to be like super flat anyway, because it is curly hair, so it's supposed to have like that little volume, little bounce to it. But I'm gonna show y'all how I finesse this wig in like less than 10 minutes. It probably took me 15. And yeah, show y'all how y'all can be a baddie on a budget, okay? And you know, like, some people be out there like about synthetic wigs or whatever, and I always tell people, like, it's not about what you got, it's about how you do it. It's about how you do it, sis. Look at me. Baby, say what? Like, come on now. It's about how you do it. This wig is popping. And no, it's not going to last you forever. But, baby, you got a couple events you got to go to. You got a YouTube video you want to record. You got somewhere you need to be. This wig will get you through it. Okay? And if you take care of your wigs, they might just take care of you. Okay? I done have some synthetic wigs that I could push out a couple times. Okay? But I don't sleep in them. And I don't, like, you know, comb them a lot. The ones that I think are the hardest to maintain is straight ones, because you constantly putting heat on it. Like this, I'm not gonna put no heat on it, so chances are it's not going to, you know, get bad quick. It might tangle a little bit, but because the curls is so pretty, you know, like, as long as I'm not pulling the hair apart too much. Oh, and it's so full, y'all. Look at it. As long as I'm not pulling the hair apart too much, the curls should keep their pattern, and we should be straight. Like, we should be straight. And I was able to get the part. I didn't pluck or anything. It does come with a lace. It comes with the middle part. And I show you all how I made this part look like this. So, yeah, stay around. Get into the video. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I am wearing my BeautyBratz highlighter. This is the shade Miss Honey. You know, I have 3 to go away collection. We got Miss Honey, Miss Heartless, and Miss Hollywood, okay? And I have my perfect brows on, okay? I use medium brown dip, whoa. I use the medium brown dip brow, and I use my pencil, of course, so I use the kit, which is $10. And I have on my Sweetie lashes, which are my fave, and I've worn these ones probably like, this is probably like my 10th time wearing them. I just pop them back on because they be still good. The fuck? Okay, you get the picture. Anyways, I'm just, look at that, okay? And I didn't even glue it down, honestly. I didn't glue it down at all. But that's looking like it's coming from Scout, baby, and it's a synthetic wig. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I'm kind of like a goat in this a little bit, you know? Like, I got a little bit more growth, but Baby, I makes it happen. And I'm about to show you how. Alright? You know what? I did spray a little gossipy glue to try to hold this middle part down. That's probably why my forehead a little tacky. My foundation a little smeared, but I'm still cute as the fuck. Y'all know how I be when you get a new wig. You be feeling like you that bitch. So that's how I feel right now. Okay? But we about to get into this video, so stay tuned and watch how I finesse this in. It's your girl Bougie, and I'm here with a hair review. Okay? Okay. So, this hair is by I paid about $30 for it, yes, y'all. 30, 35, 47, 38, 35, 47. No, I really paid $30.